Imagine talking to someone and slowly influencing the way they think, react, and behave, without them even noticing. Sounds impossible, but every single day, humans are unconsciously controlled by psychology. From advertisements, to social media, to simple conversations, our brains are constantly being influenced. And the scary part is, most people never realize it's happening. Today, we're exploring the hidden psychology behind influence and how human behavior can be manipulated in subtle ways. Because once you understand human psychology, you start seeing control everywhere. The human brain is designed to save energy. It hates overthinking. That means most decisions people make are automatic, fast, emotional, predictable. Psychologists call these mental shortcuts cognitive biases, and these shortcuts make humans surprisingly easy to influence. For example, people naturally trust confidence, even when the confident person is completely wrong. That's why charismatic people often seem more believable, not because they're smarter, but because the brain associates certainty with authority. Another powerful psychological effect is repetition. The more people hear something, the more believable it starts to feel, even if it's false. This is called the illusion of truth effect. Your brain begins treating familiar information as safe information. That's why advertisements repeat the same messages again and again. And it works, but influence goes deeper than words. Humans unconsciously mirror each other all the time. The way people sit, talk, smile, even breathing patterns. This is called mirroring. And when someone subtly copies your body language, your brain starts trusting them more, because the brain interprets similarity as safety. Most people never notice this happening, but skilled communicators use it constantly. Then there's emotional control. Fear is one of the strongest psychological triggers in existence. When humans become afraid, logical thinking weakens, and emotional reactions take over. That's why fear spreads so quickly online. Fear keeps attention locked in place. But humans are also deeply controlled by social proof. If a large group believes something, people automatically assume it must be true, even when it isn't. Because throughout human history, survival depended on staying connected to the tribe. Being isolated meant danger. So the human brain evolved to follow the crowd. This is why trends explode, why people copy opinions online, and why humans often fear standing alone. But perhaps the most powerful form of influence is attention control, because whatever controls your attention controls your thoughts. Social media platforms understand this perfectly. Bright colors, notifications, infinite scrolling. Everything is designed to keep the brain stimulated. Your attention becomes trapped, and over time, your thinking starts changing too. The human brain adapts to whatever it repeatedly consumes, which means influence is no longer just happening in conversations. It's happening through screens, every day, for hours. But here's the most important thing to understand. The goal isn't becoming paranoid. It's becoming aware. Because once you recognize psychological influence, you stop reacting automatically. You begin questioning things. You notice manipulation faster, and you regain control over your own decisions. The truth is, human psychology is powerful, and the people who understand it often shape the behavior of those who don't. So the next time you strongly believe something, ask yourself, did you choose that thought?